explain a little bit about what is true human influence and why is it your mission and why do you think it's so important?
Yeah, so I think for us, we truly do believe that social media, ironically, is becoming a bit unsocial. So we don't necessarily determine the success of a campaign based on the social metrics. We want to help brands understand how the impact of running influencer marketing campaigns has actually influenced on wider metrics. And most importantly, can it be comparable to other marketing formats? So when we're working with all these different CMOs, the number one question they say is, give me a metric which is comparable. And they say that brand lift is that metric that they use to measure the success of their out-of-home campaigns or measure the success of their TV campaigns. So we've integrated that into our campaigns. Every campaign we run at influencer.com includes brand lift, so you can see the impact that our campaigns are actually having and actually driving that true human influence on that. But we don't just stop at brand lift. Brand lift's just one metric. We, of course, go much more deeper. We want to understand sentiment. You know, one of the big things we say is that comments are the unsung hero of influencer marketing, because within the comments there's so much data to be able to absorb, because it actually tells you what consumers are reacting and actually talking about the brand in that sense. And, you know, there might be some really good insights in there, such as perhaps there's a particular destination that they're really engaged with as part of the content, or perhaps there's showing purchase intent. And that's something which is really understanding what, you know, from a human perspective, people are talking.
Exactly, and I think, you know, when you're seeing all of these numbers on a screen, you're seeing millions of viewers, what's the actual impact having in the real world?
Yeah.
And we're able to